ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शांति शांति शांति। नमस्कारः,
नमस्कार सर।
स्वागतम्। अद्वैत अकादमी पक्षतः याः कक्ष्याः चाल्यन्ते अस्माभिः, संस्कृतकक्ष्याः इदानीं समाप्ताः। पंचतंत्र पाठनं, पंचतंत्र अध्यापनं यत् प्रचलति, एतस्मिन् सन्दर्भे जानन्ति भवन्तः पुनरेकवारं स्मारयामि। अस्माभिः प्रथमं तन्त्रं सम्पूर्णतः पठितः आसीत्। मित्रभेदः। इदानीं वयं मित्रसम्प्राप्ति नामक द्वितीय तंत्रस्य आरंभे वर्तामहे। वी आर इन द beginning of the second tantra of the Panchatantra great book. Already we have done the Mitra Bheda, the biggest book containing 32 stories. Now this has very limited stories, about 6 stories are there in this, and this is the introduction that is going on here. Yes, Srinivas, and go ahead. So we coming to the text of this, where we stopped here, Srinivas, we stopped at the point where Chitragriva has come over to, where has he come?
Hiranyaka.
Sorry, Hiranyaka. Yeah, Hiranyaka. So Hiranyaka asked Chitragriva, his friend, very brief and concise dialogues are used here in the previous page. Katham kim etat? Chitragriva said, kim etat? Then Chitragriva said, Janannapi kim pruchasi? Knowingly, why are you asking? And then we read a poem. Yes, much a man gets according to his destiny, whatever he is destined to get. And the same thing, etc., etc. Yavacha, as much as, wherever, good or bad from him, due to the etc. That's sloka we studied. 20th. No, that's Sampratam. Yes.
अद्यतनी कक्षा संख्या वर्तते षडाशीति।
षडशीति. अद्यतनी कक्षा संख्या वर्तते षडशीति. That is 86th class of Panchatantra. Panchatantra पाठस्य षडशीति कक्ष्या. या इदानीं पठ्यताम्.
तत् प्राप्तं मया एतत् बन्धनं जिह्वालौल्यात् साम्प्रतं त्वं सत्वरं पाशविमोक्षं कुरु तदाकर्ण्य हिरण्यकः प्राह.
So tat, the Chitragriva is speaking here in the context now this dialogue. Tat, therefore, praptam, like we say na, this is my praptam. Srinivas, praptam means this is my praptam, we say. The same way, yeah, literally means what is obtained. Praptam, tat praptam maya etad bandhanam maya chitragrivena etad bandhanam praptam. This what do you call ensnarement. This bandhana, ensnarement, is got by me. Due to what reason? By me means by me as well as by my followers, of course.
Yeah.
Chitragriva represents, he is the Kapota Raja. He is the leader of the 1000 Kapotas. Therefore, Maya Praptam means Asmavihi Praptam iti avagantavyam. So we all got this entire confinement, otherwise. Instead, the Jihva Laulyat. This is a very important word. Jihva Laulyat. Laulyam literally means fickleness, Chanchalatva, Srinivas. And Chanchalatva, or it is greediness. So, that is what I told you in the previous class. Of all the temptations, Jikhva laulya, the temptation of the tongue is the most crucial one, because everything starts with the tongue. Gastronomy. So we should control the tongue. A man who can control the tongue can easily, yogis tell us that one who can have ahara niyama in constraint in the food habits, then he can easily become he will be eligible to become a yogi. Because, yeah, jikhva laulyat, because of the fickleness of the jikhva chapalyam. That is why. Sampratam now, tvam satvaram pasha vimoksham kuru. So he is hurrying now. Sampratam right now, tvam hiranyaka satvaram shigram pasha vimoksham pashat vimoksham kuru asman sarvanapi vimoksham kuru. So you release us from this net. Pasha is net. Tada akarnya, having listened to this, hiranyakaha mushikaha praha, he said, the mouse said, having listened to this, how is this, how did this happen? Kimetat, to that this is the answer. Tat praptam maya etad bandharam jikhva alaulya sampratam tvam satvaram pasha vimocham kuru iti tadakanya. Yes. Sloka. Ardha. There is a mistake. There is a mistake here, Srinivas.
Sir?
It is not argharda, ardharda. Read it.
अर्थार्थाद्योजनशतात् आमिषं वीक्षते खगः सोऽपि पार्श्वस्थितं दैवात् बन्धनं न च पश्यति.
Lovely poem. Ardha ardhat, Srinivas. Ardha ardhasya ardhat. Are getting it?
Yeah.
Ardhardhat Panchami. Yojana Shatat. Both are in Panchami. Ardhardhat Yojana Shatat. Amisham Vikshate Khagaha. Khagaha Pakshi Vihangaha Vihangamaha Yojana Ardhardha Yojana Shatat. Ardhardhat Yojana Shatat. Amisham Mamsam Vikshate Pakshi. A bird can see from Shata 115 if it is correctly taken. Ardha Ardhat. Yojana Shatat. So Yojana Shata is 100 yojanas. Srinivas.
Yeah.
And from that Ardha Ardhat. Ardha means 50. And from that Ardha, that is quarter.
Okay.
Understand?
Yeah.
So Ardha Ardha means Pada Pramanat.
Yeah, 25.
Pada, 25. Quarter. Ardha Ardhat Yojana Shatat. But people have translated this as, great scholars, 150 yojanas. But I feel Ardha Ardhat, it is very clearly saying,
yeah,
Yojana Shatat. Yojana, if you take Yojana Shata 100 yojanas, Ardha Ardhat. From that 50 and another half of that. So 25 it becomes.
Yeah.
So it should be 125. Ardha Ardhat Yojana Shata. That means 125 into 1 yojana is equal to 8 miles, Srinivas. Now what will be the calculation? 125 into 8.
1,000 kilometers.
1,000 kilometers distance from distance. Amisham. Amisham, the prey. Amisham means it's prey otherwise. Or the flesh of a dead animal, etc. Animal or prey also. Amisham means flesh only. Amisham vikshate pashyati kagaha. A bird can see from such a great distance its prey or the food. Sopi saha api kagaha, but the same bird, parshvasthitam daivat, but due to its fate, daivat, parshvasthitam, which is very close to it, situated by its side, bandhanam nacha pashyati, it cannot see the net which is very close to it. Understand? So reading this, I made a poem recently and it came out exactly. When I read this, I thought, why can't I make one poem. It is like this. Oh, where is it? I made Yojana Durastham. What is that slokas? I will anyway. I said Koti Yojana Durastham Vishayam Vikshate Naraha. I made it like this. Koti Yojana Durastham, thousands of miles away, I mean crores of miles away, object Vishayam Vikshate Naraha. So api I think Parshvastitam Virasam Daivadana Pashyati. But he cannot see the coronavirus which is very close to him. But man can see the other planets also. It was well appreciated in our circles. So exactly when I read this, I made a poem. Anyway, tata acha. So api parshvastitam daivat bandhanam nacha pashyati. This is the thing. You know, man can see so far sighted, but very short sighted. Yeah, also it is.
Yeah.
Tata acha.
Ravi Nishakarayorgraha Pidanam Rajabhujanga Vihangama Bandhanam.
That's all.
No.
Is the poem over? No, it is half poem.
No. Yes, sir. 1 second. I think one page is missing here. Anyway, I'll keep it later. Mati matam cha nirikshya daridratam vidhiraho balavaniti me matihi.
So here the writer comes and gives his opinion here. And the poem which I wrote in was Koti Yojana Durastham Vishayam Vikshate Naraha Sopi Parshvastitam Daivad Vairasam Nacha Pashyati. It came almost like this.
Yeah.
Sopi Parshvastitam Daivad Vairasam Nacha Pashyati. Man can see crores of kilometers away objects like planets, but he can't see the virus. That is the. So I named it as Manava Vidambanam. This is the irony of man, etc. So here, what is a Ravi Nishakarayoho Graha Pidanam?
Yeah.
The last two lines here. Moreover, sorry, Ravi Nishakarayoho Graha Pidanam. Graha Pidanam means eclipse. Eclipse, Surya Grahana and Chandra Grahana, Nishakara. Ravi Surya, Nishakara, Nisham Karoti iti, Nishakaraha Chandraha, Chandrayoho. Surya Chandrayoho Graha Pidanam is well known. Even such a the brightest luminary in the sky is sun, isn't it? The most brightest luminary. Even he has the Pidana, Graha Pidana. He is also eclipsed. Gaja Bhujanga Vihangama Bandhanam. Elephants are trapped. Bhujanga. Snakes are caught. Vihanga. Birds are caught. Bandhanam. They also have bandhanam. They are also having subject to confinement. Gaja Bhujanga Vihangama Bandhanam. And then
Next,
Matimatam cha niriksha daridratam. That is missing here. Matimatam cha niriksha daridratam. And seeing the daridrata, poverty of the matimatam, of the intelligent people. And likewise, we see in society, in our life, the highly learned people sometimes, not all the time, are very poverty stricken. It was so Srinivas earlier, not now. Now, even if I think the highly talented, highly learned people are highly remunerated now, I feel there is a talent recognition and employment problem. In those days, in ancient times, there was poverty with learned people because there was no, where was the communication system in those days? You imagine? Now I am seeing here, I am being directly telecast. I mean. Live telecast, and then so many people are seeing. In those days, if one was a learned man, how would he be known by others? What was the means of communication? So therefore, Matimatam cha niriksha daridratam. This point refers to that. Daridra Matimatam Buddhimatam niriksha društva daridratam, seeing the poverty of the intelligent people, learned people. Vidhi aho balavaniti memati. So writer says, Vidhi, fate is very strong. Vidhi balavaniti me matihi. It is something like me matihi, the last stanza of Bhagavad Gita. Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna Yatra Partho Dhanurdhara Tatra Shrir Vijayo Bhutir Dhruva Nitir Matir Mama. Like that, the writer is giving his opinion. Now, all these luminaries also have their own problems. They have eclipses. The sun, moon, the elephants are there. They have their own capture. The birds, the serpents, and likewise the poverty of the intelligent people. I see, seeing all these things, mighty elephant and mighty sun all getting eclipsed and entrapped, I feel Balavan Vidihi iti. I feel, it is my opinion, that the fate is very strong. Tatacha, moreover.
Yeah.
Even this is not there?
It is not there, sir. This page is missing. I think one more page is also missing next. I'll just read it out from here. I'll
Okay, read.
stop sharing first.
Slowly read.
Yeah. व्योमैकान्तविहारिणोऽपि विहगाः सम्प्राप्नुवन्त्यापदम् बध्यन्ते वडिशैरगाधसमिलान्मीना समुद्रादपि दुर्नीतिं किमिहास्ति किञ्च सुकृतं कस्थानलाभे गुणः कालो हि व्यसन प्रसारितकरो गृह्णाति दूरादपि.
So this stanza tells us Kala Vyasana Prasaritakaraha. Beautiful expression, Srinivas. How is the Kalaha death? Vyasana Prasaritakaraha. Prasarita Vipadbahuhu. That means in the form of Vyasana, difficulty, calamity, it Kala, our Kala, our end, the death has expanded its hand and it grabs whomever it wants to grab. That means no one can escape from the hand of death, because the death has expanded its hand. Kalaha Vyasana Prasarita Karaha. Vyasana Rupena Prasarita Karaha. It has the death, the ultimate death has expanded its arm, its hand, in the form of Vyasana, in the form of the difficulties, etc. So we go to the first line. Vyoma ekanta viharinaha api vihagaha. Vihagaha is the word here. Vihagaha is another word like vihanga. I have already told there are three words like this. Vihagaha, vihangaha, vihangamaha. All the three refer to kagaha, the bird. So the explanation is, if you remember, Srinivas, vihayasa gacchati iti vihagaha. That which moves through the space, it is called the bird. Vihagaha. Khagaha also means ke gacchati iti khagaha. That which moves in the sky is khagaha. Vihayas also means akasha. Vihayasa gacchati iti vihagaha, vihangaha, vihangamaha. So here vihagaha, Vyoma ekanta viharinaha, Gagana matra nibruta sancharinaha. Gagane nibruta sancharinaha. They are where the birds are such that they roam in the sky, unlimited sky. But even they have their own. There is no limitation for the sky. I mean, for the birds, there is no limitation in their flying, as far as flying. And thereby it also tells us that they are not bound. When there is no limitation on their flying, means they are not bound. They are unlimitedly free. Unlimitedly free. But even such unlimitedly free birds have their fate in the hands of these fowlers, the hunters. They catch nets like the present situation. So Vyoma here means, Akasha. Vyomaika. Gagane Nibruta Sancharinaha. So birds which move about freely in the unlimited area of the sky, even they have this problem. Samprapnuvanti apadam. Samprapnuvanti apadam. Apadam samprapnuvanti. Apadam labhanti. They also have problem. The confront a problem, they get into problem. That is first line. Badhyante badishaihi agadha salilat meenaha. The second object the poet describes here is meenaha. Meenaha, meeno, meenaha, the fishes. The fishes also living in the depth of the ocean, living in the very depth. Badhyante are caught. Badhyante are caught. Badishaihi. What is badisham? Badishaha, badisham is fish hook, Srinivas. Now, how are the fishes trapped? There are hooks, and to the hook some other moth or some insect, we have already recorded that, is put and then it is thrown. The fish comes to eat it, but the poor fish cannot see the hook there. Just like the birds cannot see the net, they only see the grains. They cannot see the underlying net, and then they get caught. In the similar way, fishes are also caught. Even though they are living where? Badishaihi agadha means gambhira salilat, from the depths of the water. Gambhira salilat meenaha badyanti. They are caught by means of this hook, fish, what do you call the baits? It is called the baits in yours. Fish hook. Badisha means fish hook. Meenaha samudradapi, from the ocean. Fishes are caught from the ocean, from the depths of the ocean by means of this. Birds which are there roaming in the sky are subject to this. The aquatic animals like the fishes which live in the water, they are also subject to this. Then he talks about durnitam kimiha asti kimcha sukrutam. Then the writer says, what is durnitam, dushkrutam? What is bad? Durnitam kim asti iha kim iha asti. What is bad here in this world? Kim sukrutam, dushkrutam sukrutam. So what is good and what is bad on the face of this earth? Kaha sthana labhe gunaha. What is the point? What is the advantage of getting a high position? High position of the birds here in the context. Birds are very high flying birds. Their position is very high compared to all other living beings, right?
Yeah.
So he says, Kaha sthana labhe gunaha. What is the point? What is the merit in occupying a position? Kalo hi vyasana prasarita hastaha. Because death has extended its arm in the form of vyasana, calamity. Now, like the whole world is undergoing some vyasana, some calamity now. What is that? Corona. Corona has spread like as if Kala has spread its hand and catching whoever is weak is caught now. Exactly. Link it like that way. Kalo hi vyasana prasarita karaha. Very good expression. Vyasana prasarita karaha. Kala. Kala yamaha mrutyuhu prasarita karaha. It has extended its hand and grabbing people from all sides. So he says, Gruhnati, death catches duradapi, even from a distance. So this is the thing. Next, eva muktva.
Chitragrivasya pasham chettumudyam sa tam aha. He Bhadra, ma maivam kuru. Prathamam mama bhrutyanam pashachedam kuru. Tadanu mama picha. Tat chrutva kupito hiranyakaha praha.
You can pause there. You can pause this. Evam uktva, having said this, Chitragrivasya pasham chetum. Having said like this, Chitragrivasya pasham chetum. To cut the net of Chitragriva, because Chitragriva is the friend of the mouse. So the mouse went here to first cut Chitragrivasya pasham chetum udyatam. Udyatam utsukam. Tatparam. He first became ready to cut the net of his friend Chitragriva, namely the Mushika. Then sa tamaha. Then the Chitragriva told him, When Chitragriva's net was about to be cut by his friend Mouse, Chitragriva said, Tamaha Bhadra, oh my dear friend, Ma Maivam Kuru. Ma Evam Kuru. Ma Maivam Kuru. Don't you do this. Don't do this. Pratamam Mama Vrutyanam Pasachedam Kuru. Now here the writer gives the quality, the characteristic of a true leader. Pratamam Mama Vrutyanam Pasachedam Kuru. First you cut the net of my followers. My followers are important to me. Mama Vrutyanam Pasachedam Pratamam Kuru. Tadanu, and then Tadanu Tat Paschat. Tadanu means Tat Paschat. Mama api cha. Then only you cut my net. You cut me, you free me from the entrapment. Now, then listening to this, Tat Shrutva Kupitaha, the Mushika became angry. Tat Shrutva, listening to that, Kupitaha Hiranyakaha, the Hiranyaka got angry. Praha, and he said, oh my friend, na yuktam uktam bhavata. Na yuktam uktam, na uchitam uktam bhavata. What you have said is not correct. Because
Swaminonantaram bhrutya saha he bhadra ma evam vada madashrayah sarva ete varaka aparam swakutumbam parityajya samagataha tat kathametavan
etavan matram.
कथमेतावन् मात्रमपि येषां सम्मानं न करोमि उक्तं च.
So when this was said by the conversation is going on between the Hiranyaka and Chitragriva, Saha Bhadra na yuktam uktam bhavata. Hiranyaka the mouse said, no, what you said is not correct, my friend. Swamino anantaram vrutyaha. See the argument here. Swaminaha anantaram vrutyaha means servants come only after the king. Servants come after the king. Not that servants first, followers first and then the king. No. Swaminaha anantaram vrutyaha. Sa aha. Sa means here who? Chitragriva. Chitragriva said, Mamaivam vada. Don't say like this. Don't say like this. Bhadra, he said, my good friend, don't say like this. Bhadra Mamaivam vada. And see the reasoning. Madashrayaha sarva ete varakaha. Madashrayaha. Mahi ashritaha. Mama mahi ashritaha. Mahi ashrayam svikృతవంతః ete sarve iti. Madashrayaha. Ahameva ashrayam etesham iti. Artha Srinivas. Madashrayaha. Sarva ete. Sarva ete means sarve ete. Varakaha. The word varaka means poor chaps in English. These innocent followers are all dependent on me. And therefore, I being their leader, I being their king, should not behave, think of my safety first. Let there be. And the reason also, another reason is aparam, one more reason, swakutumbam parityajya samagataha. They have come with me, they have come along with me, swakutumbam parityajya, leaving their families. Now this is what happens, when a leader gives a call, the followers just simply blindly follow him, not caring for their personal families. Now in the same way here, birds also, he says, swakutumbam parityajya samagata. And moreover, these followers of mine, these servants of mine have come, followed me, leaving their families. Tat, therefore, katham etavan matramapi sammanam yesham na karomi. So, how should I not show this much respect at least to these people who have come leaving their families? Now, if somebody comes leaving his family, he should be treated, given all the respect. That shows the amount of devotion and dedication they have for the leader. So, should the leader be safe first, or should he see the safety of his followers? That is the thing here. Tat katam etavan matramapi sammanam na karomi. This much respect shouldn't I give? At least this much. Uktam cha, because it is said in Rajaniti. Yeah.
Yassammanam sada dhatte Bhrutyanam kshitipodhikam Vitta bhave pitam harshtaste Yajanti na karhichit.
A very sadharana niti is told here. How would the followers of a king, the servants of a king, not leave the king when they are well looked after, Srinivas? Supposing the servants of a particular king are looked after well all the time, and respected also, such servants never leave that king even when the king becomes a bankrupt. That is the word vitta bhavepi, means bankruptcy. Even if supposing by misfortune, the king becomes a bankrupt in waging a war, in fighting a war, losing a war, and then thereby vitta abhave api, when he has lost all his wealth, even then tam tadrusham nrupam hrustaha sa sevakaha, happy servants, na tyajanti na karhichit tyajanti, never they leave. So servants never leave the master who looks after their servants well, even in his hard time, in his bad time. So going to the sloka, yaha raja, whichever king, sammanam sada dhatti, sada sammanam dhatti, who always gives respect to the servants, followers. Bhrutyanam, it is given there. Yaha raja bhrutyanam sammanam sada dhatte, sada dadati, kshitipaha. And raja, I said here, kshitipaha is used here. We are sorry, unable to show you the text here. Yaha kshitipaha. Kshitipaha is another word for raja, nrupaha. Kshitim pati, kshitim palayati iti, kshitim pati iti, kshitipaha, the protector of the earth. So yaha kshitipaha, whichever king, bhrutyanam sada nityam sammanam datte, adhikam sammanam datte, who gives more than due respect, respects very well. Vitta abhavepi, dhana abhavepi, dhana luptaha yadi raja bhavati tadanimapi, even when the king loses all his wealth, vitta abhave api tam kshitipam, here using the same word, kshitipam rajanam nrupam hrustaha bhrutyaha. We take the above word. Hrustaha. Hrusta means happy, content. Hrustaha tushtaha, another words. In other words, tushtaha. Tushtaha bhrutyaha sevakaha na karhichit na kadapi tyajanti. Tadrusham rajanam na kadapi tyajanti. They never leave such a king. So it applies to ordinary bosses also, Srinivas. If imagine a boss is there in an organization who looks after his people very well, giving due respect, then such people never leave him when he is in trouble. That is the idea here. So servants or followers should be first looked after very well, and such people will never leave you in your bad time. Moreover, tatacha
Vishwasa sampadam moolam Tena yuthapatirgajaha Simho mrugadhipatyepi na mrugai parivaryate.
taking two examples from the nature, one example of the simha, another example of the gaja. The writer drives home here a point that how trust is important in society, how trust plays a dominant role in keeping up the followers and the servants. Trust is very important. Trust is important. Trust is the root cause of all enterprise, all commerce. In commerce, trust only, na?
Yeah.
If there is no trust, you cannot trade and do commerce. So, Vishwasaha Sampadam Moolam. Simple words. Vishwasaha, trust. Sampadam Moolam is the base of Moola, is the base of fortunes. if one wants to make fortune, first one should make people believe in him. But in India, there are so many people who produce belief in the beginning and they knock off the money of the people. That is also there. First, they make them believe in such a way that innocent people go on depositing with the depositor, and one fine morning, he is gone. Not that kind of Vishwasa. Vishwasaha sampadam moolam. So trust is the source of all sampada, all wealth. Tena, therefore, yuthapatihi gajaha. By this reason only, yuthapatihi, yutha means samuha, group. Samuhapatihi gajaha. Now, gajaha, the example of gaja is given here. An elephant is trusted by all its followers. You never see elephant roaming alone, Srinivas. Elephants never roam singly. They always roam in groups. Herds of elephants, we call herd, H-E-R-D. Herds of groups of elephants. And in that also, you will be seeing one leader elephant taking the lead.
Yeah.
Mahagaja will be there in the forefront, and all the other gajas will be surrounding, will be there with it. And the leader will be first treading, going ahead, and then all smaller and smaller, weaker elephants follow, because they have trust in this leader. Vishwasaha sampadam moolam tena Yutapatihi Gaja. Gaja became, the elephant becomes the pati, lord of the big herd, on the principle of Vishwasa. Because all other elephants trust in the leader and therefore they simply blindly follow. Just like our human beings also. If there is a leader, now you can take the present leader who is leading the present government. I would not take any name as such. So people believe in him. And therefore, so many people are following. So many people are following him, right? People believe him. So that Vishwasa is the Sampadam Moolam. Now you create confidence among your followers and then they follow you. And their perfect example is that of the Gaja. And the next example is here. Simho Mrugadhipatyepi. On the other hand, Simha, lion, is the Mrugadhipa, is by nature given that position. Lion is given the position of the kingship, position of the kingship of the entire animals. But then there is no trust of the animals. See the example here, Srinivas. Though lion by nature is supposed to be the king of the animals, is lion followed by other animals?
No.
Why there is no trust? Vishwasa abhavat. No, you can't say, if somebody says, Simha is Mrugaraja, but why don't Mrugas follow him?
Yeah.
Simple question. If Simha is Mrugaraja, why don't the Mrugas follow? Because Vishwasa abhavat. There is no Vishwasa. If Mrugas come and follow the lion will eat away. There is no confidence. So that is the example here. Simho Mrugadipatyepi, though the lion is in the position of the lordship of the animals. Na Mrugaihi parivaryate. Mrugaihi na parivaryate. It is not surrounded by the animals, other animals. Leave alone lions, it is not followed by all other animals, although it is in the position of the king of the animals. So, what's important is Vishwasa. Why Chitragriva is telling that? These birds, 1000 birds, have left their homes, kutumba. Kutumam tyaktva samagataha. They have come with me because they trust in me, and therefore I should protect their trust. First, free them, please. That is what. Next.
Aparam mama kadachit पाशच्छेदं कुर्वतस्ते दन्तभङ्गो भवति अथवा दुरात्मा लुब्धकः समभ्येति तन्नूनं मम नरकपात एव.
There is one beautiful reason also given by Chitragriva here in the context. Aparam, one more reason. mama kadachit pashachedam kurvatah. Mama chitragreevasya tavat. In the first place, if you cut my net, if you start cutting my net and you accidentally break your tooth, the mouse, if Hiranyaka loses his tooth, mama pasachedam kurvatah kadachit पाशच्छेदं कुर्वतः ते तव to you दन्तभङ्गः भवति यदि. Supposing your danta becomes bhanga, you lose your tooth. Athava, there is another possibility also. Athava, or else duratma lubdhakaha, that wicked fowler, that wicked hunter, samabhyeti, comes running for his net. Possibility is there. Either while cutting my, trying to free me by cutting the my trap, you may lose your tooth, or that hunter may turn up. Samabhyeti tat, then nunam mama naraka patayade. Then surely I am going to Naraka as a leader, as the Kapota Raja, as a king. Then it is, because the entire birds will be devastated, they will be killed, and their killing will be on me. That papa will come on to me and I will go. Nunam naraka patayeva, that is surely my downfall only. So no, don't. I don't want you to cut me free. Free me first. First you free my followers, because they have come reposing faith in me, leaving their families, etc. So this is the this is the thinking of a true leader, who is so much careful and so much concerned about the safety of his followers. That is what. Sadachareshu.
Sadachareshu bhrutyeshu samsidatsu cha yah prabhuhu sukhi syan narakam yati paranneha cha sidati.
And moreover, according to Rajaniti, Sadachareshu bhrutyeshu samsidatsu, when good Sadachareshu bhrutyeshu, Sadachara bhrutyaha yatha apadam dukkam anubhavanti, when the good servants, good followers are in trouble, samsidatsu, while at a time when the virtuous followers of a king are undergoing some trouble, Sadachareshu bhrutyeshu samsidatsu, everything in Saptami here, Srinivas, satsu. So at a time when good followers are undergoing suffering, problem, yaha prabhuhu, whichever king, yaha prabhuhu, sukhi syat, enjoys. A king who tries to enjoy at a time when his very confidential and faithful servants are suffering, yati narakam, he will go to Naraka. That leader, that king will go to Naraka. Paratreha cha sidati, and he suffers in the other world and also here. There is no this to him. That is why, therefore, a king's responsibility, it is to see their safety first.
Tat shrutva prahrushto hiranyakah praha bhoho vedmiyaham raja dharmam param maya tava pariksha kruta tat sarvesham purvam pashachedam karishyami bhavanapyanena vidhina bahukapota parivaro bhavishyati uktam cha.
You can read Srinivas, liners, that all.
I read it, sir, already.
No, that poem also you can read.
Poem also, okay. Karunyam samvibhagascha yasya bhrutyeshu sarvada sambhavyassa mahipalaha trailokyapi rakshane.
Okay. Tat Shrutva, listening to that reasoning given by Chitragriva, the Hiranyaka, the mouse, prakrishtaha, prakrishtena hristaha, santushtaha. He became highly happy, greatly happy. Hiranyakaha, then he said, praha bhoho, vedmyaham raja dharmam. Look what a test. One friend is testing the integrity of another friend here. Vedmi aham raja dharmam. How do you break here? Vedmi. Vida dhatuhu.
Yeah,
Vida
Yanade.
jnani. Yanadesha sandhi. Vedmi aham. Aham vedmi. Aham chitragrivaha. Aham hiranyakaha. Vedmi. Janami. Raja dharmam. I know the raja dharma. Param. But maya tava pariksha kruta. What a beautiful sentence, huh? Sanskrit. Maya tava pariksha kruta. A test is conducted by me. A test is done to you. You are tested by me, in other words. Maya tava pariksha kruta. Tanta kruta. Tat, therefore, sarvesham purvam pasachedam karishyami. I know, but I just tested you whether you are following the Rajadharma still or not. That is what he is. And then, okay. Sarvesham purvam pasachedam karishyami. I will cut the pasha to all first, as you said. Bhavanapi anena vidhina. So by this way, Bhavanapi anena vidhina. By this way, Bahu kapota parivaraha bhavishyati. You will become a man, a king of having so many followers in the form of kapotas. Bahu kapota parivaraha. You will be a great leader. Uktam cha karunyam संविभागश्च यस्य भृत्येषु सर्वदा यस्य नृपस्य राज्ञः क्षितिपतेः भृत्येषु सर्वदा. That king who has towards his bhrutyas, towards his servants, followers, always karunyam, kindness. Karunyam is kindness. Samvibhagaha. Samvibhagaha means who shares equally with his servants. Samvibhagaha means who divides all his profits equally and shares among the followers. That is called Samvibhaga, Srinivas.
Yeah.
So, yasya nrupasya rajnaha bhrutyeshu sarvada sada karunyam asti samvibhagaha cha bhavati. Whichever king has towards his, whichever king has always towards his followers and servants, kindness and equal distribution of wealth. That is the first. Sambhavyaha. He can be expected. Sa nrupaha, sa raja, sambhavya, he can be expected. Mahipa, sa mahipala is you. Sa mahipalaha sambhavyaha. That king can be expected. Trailokyasya api rakshane. To be the protector of the three worlds. Trailokyasya api rakshane sambhavyaha. He can be expected to be the protector of even the three worlds. What to say of that those followers who are faithful to him, but he can protect he can be the protector for the three worlds. That means a king must be compassionate, a boss must be compassionate to his followers, and at the same time he should be sharing whatever he gains. Samvibhaga is very important word here. Samvibhagaha, distribution of profits equally among the servants. If he does that, then they will be all pleased all the time with him. They will not leave him. Eva muktva. Yeah.
Eva muktva sarvesham pashachedam krutva hiranyaka chitragriva maha. He mitra gamyatam adhuna swashrayam prati. Bhuyopi vyasane prapte samagantavyam. Iti tan sampreshya sa hiranyakaha punarapi durgam pravishtaha.
So in these three lines, we come to know that Hiranyaka did his job very well. He tested his friend Chitragriva. Chitragriva passed the test. And then he said, I tested you, I know the Rajadharma. Hiranyaka is also a very clever character here. Eva muktva, saying like this, sarvesham pasachedam krutva. He cut the net of all the birds. Hiranyakaha, the mouse, Chitragrivam aha, told to the friend Chitragriva, Mitra, Bho Mitra, hey Mitra, oh my friend, Gamyatam adhuna, now you may go. Now you may go. Adhuna gamyatam swa ashrayam prati, towards your residence. Swagruham prati, swa ashrayam prati. Bhuyopi vyasane prapte. And again also, vyasane prapte, when you get into trouble, when you get into problem, vyasana, problem, samagantavyam. See, that is again a quality of a true friend. A friend has helped them immensely now, and is asking his friend to leave now, and also reminding him, if you get into trouble in future, please don't hesitate to come. Bhuyopi, again also, vyasane prapte sati, when you get into such a problem, samagantavyam, you should come. A friend can use this potential mode. Samagantavyam tvaya, samagantavyam. You must come when you have any problem in future also, because only a friend can say that. That is what iti, thus tan sampreshya, iti, thus tan kapotan, all those pigeons, sampreshya, having sent them away, sa hiranyakaha, that little mouse, punarapi, once again, durgam pravishtaha, entered into its fourth year. Poet is not saying Randharam Pravishtaha. If the writer says Randharam Pravishtaha, then it will be belittling the importance of the mouse.
Yeah.
Durgam Pravishtaha.
Chitragrivopi sa parivaraha swa ashrayam agamat athava sadhviram uchyate.
Chitragriva also, being let off by his friend, Saparivaraha, Parivarena Sahitaha, Kapota Parivarena Sahitaha, along with its retinue of birds, Swa Ashrayam Agamat. This is another past tense. Agamat means Jagama, went, not little. Swa Ashrayam Agamat Agachat. He went to his place, wherever it was. Athava, or Sadhu idam uchyate. Rightly this is said.
Mitravan sadhayatyarthan dusadhanapi vayyataha yasman mitrani kurvita samananyeva chatmanaha.
So here again we have a poem here. There is one mistake like Srinivas. Mitra Praptikam. Anyway, I cannot, okay, one second. This word, what you read? Mitravan sadhayati ashuhu. Sadhayati arthan dussadhana. That is one.
Yeah, dusadhanapi vayyataha.
Mitravan sadhayatyarthan dusadhyan. That is what I remember. There is a mistake here. Sadhyan. Sadhanan is coming. Here the reading is Srinivas. Mitravan sadhayati arthan. Okay. Dusadhanan api. Dusadhyan.
Yeah.
Sadhyanapi. Sadhyanapi. Dukkena sadhayitum shakya. Dusadhya. Sadhya, that word should be sadhya. So the writer says, after the exit of this friend, Mitravan, who is a Mitravan? Mitrani asya, Mitram asya asti iti Mitravan. Like Dhanavan. How do you explain Dhanavan? Dhanam asya
asti.
Asya asti iti Dhanavan. This fellow has Dhana, therefore is Dhanavan. Mitra, Mitravan. Mitravan sadhayati. Sadhayati means achieves. Arthan is objects. Artha could be money also. But objects in life. So many, wonderful things in us. If one has friends, one can achieve so many things. Mitravan means a man who has got friends. Sadhayati arthan. He gets all his objects. He achieves all his objects. What kind of arthan? Dussadhyanapi. Dussadhyanapi arthan mitravan sadhayati. A man who has lots of friends achieves even the impossible tasks. Dussadhyanapi arthan sadhayati, he achieves it. Because he is a mitravan. That is why I told you, mitravan balavan loke. That slogan we must propagate now from Advaita Academy. Mitravan balavan loke. Who is a strong man? Only one who has friends. Like our beloved Prime Minister makes friendship with so many leaders world over. And therefore he is powerful. Understand?
Yeah.
Why, people don't understand the strategy of Panchatantra. He goes, whenever he goes out, he goes to only make friends with the neighboring and far countries, and that will pay him off richly. That will pay off to the country, our country itself. Mitravan sadhayati arthan dussadhyanapi vayataha tasmat. Therefore, mitrani kurvita. Even Panchatantra is saying, therefore, one should make friends. Tasmat mitrani kurvita. Samananyevacha atmanaha, but they should be of your equal stature. Only then friendship survives. If you make asamanan, then that continuity will not be there. Samananyevacha atmanaha. Atmanaha samananyeva mitrani kurvita, one should do. So, this is how he is exhorting and preaching through this story. Friends must be made, and all difficult tasks can be accomplished by having good friends. How are we?
Stop here, sir.
Yeah, we stop.
Right.
Shubham Bhuyat.
Dhanyavadas.